I wonder how rockets work. Let me look that up on Google. HowDoRocketsWork.com. Seems pretty legit. Hello, my name is Jacob Solorio, and today we're going to be talking about how do rockets work. And by rockets, I mean space shuttles. Space shuttles work by combining two substances to create a chemical reaction that releases blasts of hot gases. Except it's just a little more complicated than that. Alright, next page. One substance must be a fuel and the other must be an oxidizer. In space shuttles, it's generally liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. The two liquids are then placed in a combustion chamber, and that's when all the fun begins. Alright, next page. Come on, computer, work! Meet the ET, aka the the external tank. The ET is the largest part of the space shuttle. It contains both of the liquids and a combustion chamber. When the liquids are placed together in the combustion chamber, it creates a lot of water vapor. This is because, This happens because hydrogen has 1 valence electron and oxygen has 6 valence electrons. They are able to create bonds of 2 hydrogen per every oxygen, which releases energy. The balancing equation would be 2H2 plus O2 gives you 2 water molecules. Alright, let's go back. Alright, next page. Both of the SRBs, aka solid rocket boosters, function a little bit differently than the external tank. For starters, the fuel and the oxidizer are both solid. The oxidizer is ammonium perchlorate and the fuel is powdered aluminum. The two solids are mixed in a rubbery material until it gets ignited during liftoff. They provide the main thrust from getting off the ground. As it is extremely powerful, you can't stop it from, combusting. Alright, let's read more. The chemical equation is extremely complicated and giant, but it's basically just like H2 and O2. What do you mean by complicated? My eyes! On April 12, 1981, Columbia, the space shuttle, not the country, goes into outer space, which makes it the first space shuttle mission ever. Before this, the Apollo program was using disposable one-time use rockets to transfer the astronauts to outer space and back. NASA wanted to create a reusable space vehicle for future missions. And so they did. They created 5 space shuttles named Columbia, Challenger, Discovery, Atlantis, and Endeavour. Unfortunately, Columbia and Challenger both got destroyed. Columbia disintegrated during re-entry on February 1st, 2003, and Challenger exploded on January 20th, 1986. However, all the other space shuttles did fine and retired in 2011. Alright, sources. Let's see if they're all credible or not. Wait a second. Is Wikipedia on there?